Hey there, I'm Andrew Seymour, CEO of INVENTIVE, and I'd like to take a moment to tell you how we are changing people's lives with technology. We strive to provide the best designers, software engineers, project managers, data scientists, consultants, and passionate trainers. With this team, we are able to provide custom application consulting and development with Inventive Works, full-stack software engineering courses that are led by industry-experienced instructors for all ages at Inventive Academy, incubation services to help entrepreneurial founders work through the ideation phase, get those ideas out of their heads, launch their MVPs, and tackle their industry with Inventive Ventures. Through all of these activities, we remain community-focused, so much so that we launched a nonprofit called Inventive Cares to raise money for specific needs, like sending deserving folks back to school for training in a new career, and providing technology projects to nonprofits and charities. If any of this sounds interesting to you, let's discuss your needs over a coffee. We can meet in your office, or we can meet at the Inventive offices. Just give us a call and tell us how we can help you or somebody you know. Inventive.